It's time to make it. Just give it a try. 'Cause you can make it like the old fat guy.
Welcome from sunny Dominican Republic. I'm David Farrell, the old fat guy. No recipes today, rather I'm going to give you a review of my first day of my trip to Excellence Punta Cana Resort. My trip to the resort stopped by being picked up at the airport by a young man named Joseph, who drove me directly to the hotel in a very nice car. If you book directly with the Excellence Resorts, they have a deal by which you can get a free transfer directly from the airport to the hotel. This is a real plus because if you book through a tour company, they will give you a free transfer, but the transfer will be on a bus and you'll be stopping at every resort that's between the airport and your hotel, and that can really lengthen the trip out. So Joseph gave me an excellent trip, felt safe even though it was rush hour traffic and just driving rain. It was very nice to have somebody else take care of that for me. On arriving at the hotel, I was met by Santos. Santos is what I would call a true service professional. He absolutely made me feel like he wanted me to have a good time and he'd do anything he could do to make sure that would happen. But I didn't feel like he was sucking up. I felt like I was dealing with a professional who was confident, who knew he was doing a good job, and was helping me feel comfortable in this resort. He took me to a private check-in that you get if you pay the extra for an Excellence Club membership. There's a few other perks that come with that, and I like it, but this particular perk is you don't have to stand in line at the front desk. They put a glass of bubbly in your hand, sit you down, do your reservation, and then Santos comes back, picks your bags up, takes you up to your room and shows you around the room and how everything works. It was a real nice start to the vacation. Now, I'm not going to do a lot more tonight because I've been traveling for over 24 hours and I'm really tired. But I will give you a tour of the room, let you know what I did for a snack, and we'll get back tomorrow to see some more of the stuff about the Excellence Punta Cana. So let's get into a tour of my room at Excellence Punta Cana. Here's the entrance to my room, which is number 1116 in the Excellence Club section. When you come in the door, you have the bathroom to your right. There is a separate washing and bathroom area. The shower has a rainfall-style head that is very large and gives you a really nice shower, and a handheld wand if you like that. The bathroom itself has a separate door separating the toilet from the rest of the bathroom. The bathroom is equipped with very high-quality soaps, shampoos, lotions, etc. They even include a toothbrush and toothpaste. As you enter the room, you see there is a big flat screen TV, a computer work area, a large soaker bathtub suitable for two, a big comfortable sofa and settee area. Also, the bed is king-sized and very comfortable with lots of room. One of the great features is that the controls for the lights, temperature, and a lot of other things are right beside the bed. Of course, it has plug-ins and chargers for all your devices. This is a really well set up room. To your left as you come into the room is the most important thing, the bar. They give you 3 bottles of alcohol and you get to change them over to other types if you'd like. They also have a bar fridge with soda pop, beer, snacks, water, that kind of thing in it for your mix. There's a nice large closet with plenty of hangers, a couple of robes, and some slippers. Next to it are some shelves where the security safe is, and there's a hair dryer for your use as well. Next to that is the service waiter. This is a place where if you order room service, they will put the food in this area from an outside door, and you can open it and get your food without ever having to open the main door to your room. A couple of perks you get if you are an Excellence Club member include a bottle of bubbly wine when you get to the room, a bowl of fruit, and a nice pretty flower on your computer desk. I arrived at the resort at 7 p.m. and had already been fed on the plane, so I wasn't particularly hungry. However, it was Thursday night, and Thursday night football was on, so I went to the sports bar for a snack and to watch the game. I ordered some chicken wings. I have to tell you, these were absolutely delicious wings. They had a wonderful heat to them, a nice coating of spices. I will tell you they weren't wings, though. There was a couple of wing pieces in there, but there's also some sections of chicken thigh cut up. They were meaty and delicious. I can highly recommend them. Now it was time for me to get some badly needed beauty sleep, and I look forward to bringing you tomorrow's video. Bye.
I have a good woman, I ain't good looking, but I do some cooking, I'm the old fat guy. So use that oven if you want some lovin', be like the old fat guy. Be like the old fat guy.